Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our class with the subject Principles of Teaching. Tonight we're going to discuss the topic the teacher. Accordingly, no, in a Chinese proverb, teachers open the door and you enter by yourself. Comment down below kung ano ba yung minimean natin dyan, no? Yung teachers open the door, you enter by yourself. So, I'll expect that you're going to write your answer below. Okay, so let's proceed. So, the professional teacher, accordingly, is based on the Code of Ethics of Professional Teachers in 1997. He or she is defined as licensed professional who possesses dignity, reputation with high moral values, as well as technical and professional competence. He or she adheres to, observes, no, and practices a set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and values. So, ang bigat, no, ng isang teacher. No? Hindi madali yung role niya as defined by the Code of Ethics. No? Kasi dapat he adheres to, observes, and practices a set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and values. So, that's very big role, no? Para sa mga teachers. Aside from being a licensed professional, aside from having or possessing dignity and reputation with high moral values, no? With technical pa at saka professional competence. So that's the professional teacher. Hindi siya basta-basta. Hindi lang siya yung LPT na alam natin na dapat na asaramya kapas. No. When you are a professional teacher, you must adhere to this definition under the Code of Ethics of Professional Teachers. So, what are the professional attributes ng mga teachers? According to Ahrens 1994, ang mga teacher should possesses the following attributes. Sila yung may control ng knowledge, no? They have the control of the knowledge base of teaching and learning and use of this knowledge to guide the science and art of his or her teaching practice. And then, siya yung may repertoire of best teaching practices and can use this to instruct children in classrooms and to work with adults in the school setting. Third one is dispositions and skills to approach all aspects of his or her work in a reflective, collegial, and problem-solving manner. And the last one is a professional teacher possesses the view of learning to teach as a lifelong process and dispositions and skills for working towards improving his or her own teaching as well as improving schools. No? So, yun yung teacher. So, the last attribute cited by Ahrens highlights continuing professional development. Dito papasok yung CPD, no? Yung continuing professional development or education. No? As the quotation goes, kaya man nagkaroon ng CPD, no? Sabi nila, once a teacher, always forever, no? Forever a student. So that's it. So we have also the personal attributes of teacher. A teacher must be, must have the passion for teaching. Kasi kung wala yan, hindi ka talaga makakapag-teach, no? Yes, makakapag-teach ka, pero pilit lang, no? Because having passion for teaching is a compelling force that emerges from teachers' love for children, no? So passionate teachers exude, spontaneity in ministering to the needs of the students, especially those experiencing learning difficulties. Accordingly also, yung teacher dapat may humor. No? So teachers' humor connect them with their student like a magnet. Pansin nyo, yung mga bata is nagiging interesado sila kapag yung teacher na ay may humor talaga. No? And then, the third one is the teacher must have values and attitude. Good values and good attitude because sila yung nagiging model ng mga bata. So kapag wala yung values and attitude na yan, kapag negative, for sure yan din yung matututunan ng mga bata. No? And then the next one is patience. Napakalaking patience yung kailangan ng isang teacher in teaching because kapag maka-experience ka ng frustrations and disappointments, nandyan yung patience mo to still continue to teach, no? So teachers cannot help but feel impatient with students' irresponsibility minsan, no, and carelessness in performing classroom routine. So that's why kailangan yung patience. Then enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is iniminimin natin sa eagerness, no? Eagerness natin and excitement, no? Excitement to teach, no? Kung wala tayong enthusiasm in teaching, I don't know kung makaka-learn pa sa atin yung mga bata. Unfortunately, no, not all teachers are born with an alert disposition in life, no, enthusiasm, no, but with enthusiastic teachers, students look forward to any activity that they can participate in with them, no. So it's very important to possess this kind of attribute. And then the last one is the commitment. Commitment is the solemn promise. Now again, it's the solemn promise. When you say solemn promise, yan yung a solemn promise to perform the duties and responsibilities mandated by the laws and the code of ethics of the profession. Kaya nga sabi nila, nakaka-graduate yung iba sa teaching or sa pagiging teacher o din sa course na BS Ed or BEd. However, pagdating sa field, yes, nagti-teach sila, pero at the end, di na sila committed. No? So, when you say commitment, you should be caring and dedicated. No? You should be ready, no, to carry on no matter the price. Kung gaano man kahirap yung pagte-teach, dapat nandun ka pa rin. You should also always be committed because yan yung profession mo at yan yung gusto mo, no? But if hindi mo gusto, then I think you need to think of other professions, no? Hindi talaga madaling maging teacher. Okay, so I think that would be all for this lessons about the teacher.